The petition challenging the election of Mike Sonko as Nairobi governor will now proceed to full hearing after the High Court rejected an application to have the case dismissed. In his ruling, Justice Msagha Mbogholi found no requirement in law compelling the petitioner to include the deputy governor as a respondent in an election petition.
On my part, therefore, believing I'm right in the interpretation and appreciation of the law, alongside the attendant circumstances, I find that the deputy governor is not a mandatory party in an election petition. Failure to join a deputy governor, in my view, ought not invalidate a petition. In view of the foregoing, the preliminary objection by the first and second respondent and the application by the third respondent must fail. They are hereby dismissed and the cause shall be imposed.
Mbogholi further directed that no applications and adjournments will be allowed by the court, as the case is set to be heard from 8 to 12 January next year. In his application, Sonko had argued that the petition was fatally defective, as his deputy Polycarp Igande was not enjoined. But petitioners Japheth Muroko and Zacchaeus Okoth insisted that their petition is time-specific, and allowing the application by the governor will only duplicate the arguments to be made in the petition. And the Machakos High Court has ordered Machakos Governor Alfred Mutua and former Kathiani Member of Parliament Wavinya Ndeti to present one Ham Lagat in court on Monday to shed light on whether he signed Ndeti's petition affidavits. Lagat was drawn into the election petition controversy this week when Governor Mutua's lawyer Benjamin Musau produced a letter in court allegedly from Lagat disowning the signatures in Ndeti's affidavits. However, Ndeti's lawyers Martin Gitonga and Willis Otieno maintained that the petition had been commissioned by Lagat. Presiding Judge Justice Agre Muchelule warned that the allegations had criminal consequence and could bring the petition to a close should it be established that the affidavits were not duly commissioned. And Lang'ata Member of Parliament Nixon Korir took the witness stand to testify in a petition challenging his election as Lang'ata MP. In his testimony, Korir informed the court that he was duly declared winner by the electoral body IEBC following the August 8 poll, which he says was conducted under strict adherence of the law. In the case, Oscar Omoke won the court to nullify the Lang'ata constituency election on grounds that it was marred with irregularities that could have influenced the win by Nixon Korir. Elsewhere, Kiambu High Court Judge Joel Ngugi has declined to disqualify himself from hearing a murder case facing the widow of Kiru Boy's secondary principal who was brutally killed in November last year. While dismissing an application by Jen Mudhoni and Isaac Ng'ang'a, who were accused of killing Solomon Mwangi, Justice Ngugi ruled that he found no grounds to excuse himself from the case and that doing so would lead to possible miscarriage of justice. The duo wanted the court to disqualify itself from hearing the case for reasons that the same court has heard and determined a prior case where the accused have been adversely mentioned. Ben Chumba, reporting for Scales of Justice.